Hi everyone, it's John Galante, president of AE Ventures, here at the Builder Innovator Summit Spring 2026 in St. Louis. I'm joined by Lincoln Judd with Simpson Strong-Tie. Lincoln is a business leader on the digital solution side of things, and he's our key guy for a tour we're going to be doing of the Simpson Strong-Tie factory in suburban Dallas. So tell us what goes on at that factory for starters, and what you think our guests who take the tour might be seeing and taking in intellectually.
Well, luckily, I will not be the sole provider of the tour, which is fantastic. So we will have a group of experts that are there. Really, you start to see the heart and the soul of Simpson, really what makes you tick.
Okay.
So for 70 years, Simpson's been in this industry. And so we really have a great understanding of the home building process. But that is really where the rubber meets the road, so to speak. So everything on the site, when you get on site, yeah, it's a piece of hardware, it's a piece of material or whatever.
On the job site.
Once you get to that job site, you don't know what really goes in behind it from an engineering, from a manufacturing perspective. So what we hope to be able to do when they come to the McKinney site is, one, see that process in action of why can we really build safer, stronger structures, right?
Okay.
Why can we guarantee that? And why have we been able to do that for 70 years?
Right. So at this facility, some of the actual pieces and parts, the connectors, are made there.
Yes.
Is there also a lab and a product development side of things there, where some of those connectors are tested in conjunction with the lumber as you go through the development?
There is a little bit of a testing lab as well. So the manufacturing, the testing, the engineering, all those departments exist within that location. The cool part is you all start to see the innovation that has gone into the company regarding even equipment. So things related to the Easy Frame saw, which allows the pre-cut kitted packages.
So the capital equipment that the lumber yards use for Easy Frame is something that's produced or engineered at some level at this facility as well.
So there's two different offices within the facility, or two different warehouses, but it's in close enough proximity that we'll be able to get the group, I think, to both facilities. But the hopes is to be able to show them the impact that Simpson makes along the entire builder journey. And it's not so much just equipment, but we want to show the builders why we can be a reliable and a trusted partner along everything from plan all the way to the build.
So we're going to learn about the solutions in conjunction with the hardware, your side of stuff. Are we going to hear from material scientists about what you're doing with metallurgy and such on these materials to make them super strong?
So within the entire journey, helping us understand what type of journey these individuals who are coming want to be on, we can create whatever that looks like. Like if we need those types of individuals there, we will have them there. But trusted sources will definitely be engineering, those who the products start to be developed, those types of people. Nick Algia, who is our general manager and senior vice president of that facility, he will be present. So we'll be able to really take them through it.
So we're going to custom configure this. So for those of you who are coming to Builder Innovator Summit Fall 2026 in Dallas and are planning to be part of this tour, we want your input. What we'll do is we'll develop a survey, and you could talk about the categories of stuff that folks might be able to dive into, and we're going to get your inputs as to what sort of experience you want to design. We're going to use AI to aggregate all this stuff, okay? Be like really cool. BI, AI, they go together, but we're gonna really, Lincoln is offering, so I took them up on it. We're going to custom configure something for what you all want to see. You heard a little bit about it. We'll put it on the survey form, and then we're going to deliver. And what's the food plan? You haven't ordered the catering yet, but conceptually, should we ask them what they're interested in?
My guess is if you're coming to Texas, you pretty much have to be in the barbecue realm.
Okay. There's going to be peppers involved at some level.
Most likely.
And smoking.
There has to be smoking involved if you come to Texas.
Smoking peppers and meat and beef.
Yeah, you probably have to do that.
Okay. I'm looking forward to it. We're going to cook up a great event together. We're going to get the inputs, and then we're going to deliver on site. Thanks for doing it. Thanks for coming to chat with us a little bit about it. John. And we'll see you in Dallas.
Very excited about it. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you.